There's no place like home for the holidays. Sarah here, and today I'll show you how to turn a Christmas tree into a festive, friendly holiday gnome. For this project, you'll need a Christmas tree, felt, ornament, scissors, and glue gun. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see a couple fun ways to add flair to your gnome using yarn and other embellishments like ribbon and gift wrap. We'll start by making the gnome hat. For my 3-foot tree, I'll start with a 3-foot by 2-foot piece of red felt. I'm going to make 2 folds. The first one is in half, then I'll bring the bottom corner of the creased edge to the left side edge, creating this triangle. I'll then make 2 cuts as shown in the image here. From there, I'll flatten out my fabric with a point at the top. I'll use my glue gun to hem up the bottom 3 edges of the material about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. This will give the hat a more finished look without having to pull out the sewing machine. Now it's time to shape the hat into a cone. Flip the material over so the hem side is facing down. Then pull back the left and right side of the fabric till the edges come together and form a triangle. Using my glue gun, I'll glue one edge on top of the other. Once the glue sets, flip your hat so that the right sides are facing out. I'm going to add a couple handfuls of Fiberfill to help the hat keep its shape. And now our hat is complete. The last step before assembling our gnome is cutting mitten shapes from the felt, or if you have extra mittens laying around, you could use those as well. Time to assemble our gnome. I fluffed out the bottom branches of the tree, but you're going to want to smush the top branches flat to fit under the hat. If your tree looks like it's having a really bad hair day, you've done it right. Flip out one branch to hang the nose or ornament from, then pull your gnome hat over the top of the tree and make sure a part of the nose is covered up by the hat. Hang your mittens using an ornament hook. This gnome is as cute as it can be just as is, but here are a couple ideas to dress her up. To add some cute braids, I took a storage container lid that was about 32 inches long and wrapped my yarn around the lid about 20 times. I used a separate piece of yarn to tie one end together, then cut my yarn loops at the opposite end to get this ponytail of hair. From there, I braided the yarn to the desired length and tied it off at the end. I loosened up the braid to give her a bit of that Instagram influencer look. I hooked the braids to the tree branches under the hat and then added a little ribbon to finish them off. I wanted this smallest gnome to be holding a gift. I started by wrapping an empty box. You could do this in any style you want. Then I cut 2 mittens from a piece of felt and attached them to the side of the box using hot glue just around the perimeter only. This left a little pocket to add some batting to give the hands some dimension. I left the bottom unwrapped so a little present could be added later. If my husband is watching, this would be a perfect spot to wrap keys to a brand new car. I used floral wire to secure the gift to a tree branch. Other easy ways to dress up your gnome include adding trim to the hat, adding a beard, floral picks, or holiday signs. If you have other fun ideas, drop a comment below. Would love to hear from you. I've arranged my little gnome family at my front door, and they really bring a smile to my face each day. If you enjoyed this DIY, be sure to like and subscribe to be notified of my latest projects. I'll also leave the link here to one of my latest holiday videos you should be sure to check out. Happy holidays!